Well, unlike yesterday, we're not waking up to some windy conditions, but we are waking up to some cloud cover here for our Tuesday. Temperatures, though, just about in the same neighborhood, right around that freezing mark as we head into this morning. South of I-70, though, we're warmer than that freezing mark, and that's thanks in large part to some of that cloud cover that we're waking up to. A little bit thicker down that direction. That acts like a little bit of a bigger blanket here, if you want to think about it that way, for our Tuesday morning. So starting off cold and unfortunately not going to be improving a whole lot by the time this afternoon rolls around. We'll get back into those upper 40s for afternoon highs, but that's about as good as we can do. Latest look at future track, though, there's those upper 40s this afternoon, but we're going to be tracking a pretty quick moving system as we head into the overnight hours, and that's got a little bit of moisture that could be coming down in places like Macon, but notice those overnight lows getting into those mid to some of us in the low 30s later on tonight. We could flip a raindrop or two over to a snowflake, but again, I'm not expecting any problems out of that system. Back into the 50s by Wednesday, and then Wednesday night into Thursday, we're going to be tracking another system that's going to work its way through mid-Missouri. This one looks like it's got a little more moisture to work with, a little more widespread rainfall going to be expected with this system, but it's going to be a bit of a cold rainfall as we head into Thursday afternoon. Only going to be hanging on to the 40s here as we work our way toward Thursday. Thursday night, we could try to flip some of those back over to some snowflakes, but again, still not expecting a whole lot in the way of problems with either of these rounds of some precipitation moving through. By, again, could hang on to some of this into Friday morning. We'll continue to track this, so as we get a little bit closer to that. Looking at that 7-day forecast again, those rain chances going to be a little bit better, and we've actually upped those chances for our Thursday, largely centered around Thursday. Could hang on into Friday, but I think a lot of that's going to clear out by the afternoon. Heading into this weekend, that leaves us pretty dry, and we're going to start to try to warm back up on the backside of that. Getting back into the low 60s on Saturday with maybe some more outside rain chances moving in by Sunday.